Hi there. Immune system is very important when it comes to your health. Today we will talk about how to boost your immune system naturally. By following a few things, you can strengthen your immune system over a period of time and stay healthy. Let's begin. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is very important when it comes to your immunity. Preventing infectious pathogens such as bacteria, virus and fungi from entering into the body is a good way to stay healthy. To maintain proper hygiene, you must follow these simple steps. You should take bath daily. This washes off any germs present on your body. Clean your teeth at least once a day. Ideally, you should cleanse your mouth after every meal. This cleans your mouth from any germs or leftover food particles. This also helps you avoid gum disease. Wash your hands properly. Washing your hands prevents the spread of bacteria from getting into your body from mouth or eyes through your hands. Change into clean clothes. Make sure to wash dirty clothes after each use and hang the clothes in sun to dry as sunlight kills the bacteria. Eat healthy diet. Nutrients you get from plant foods like vegetables, fruits and herbs are essential to keep your immune system working properly. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is a strong booster of immunity. You can have oranges, lemon, grapes, kiwi, papaya and many more. Also add as much as vegetables as possible to your plate. It is overall good for whole of your body. Some vegetables are high in vitamin C, B6, E and other components such as broccoli, red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, spinach, etc. This will help boost your immune system. Sleep well and enough. Sleep and immunity are connected to each other. If you take little sleep for slightly long time, then this can weaken your immune system. In the same way, if you have low immunity, then it can disrupt your sleep. Having good quality sleep for enough hours each night is very important. An adult needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Teens need 8 to 10 hours of sleep and infant may sleep for 10 to 14 hours per day. To have good quality sleeps, you should go to and get out of bed at the same time each day. Get yourself enough sunlight exposure at daytime. Avoid any light exposure, especially blue light from mobile, laptop and TV screens at night time. Keep your room completely dark while sleeping. Exercise regularly but not at night. Avoid any stress. Exercise regularly. Exercise is very beneficial to your body. Regular exercise protects the body from disease like hypertension, obesity, diabetes and other cardiovascular disease. You can do some basic exercises daily such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing. It's time to leave bad habits. Cut off on alcohol. If you consume high level of alcohol on regular basis, then it decreases your ability to fight off infections. It also increases your recovery time, which is even worse. Quit smoking. Similar to alcohol, cigarette is also bad for immune health. A cigarette smoke contains thousands of toxins such as carbon monoxide, nicotine, nitrogen oxide and cadmium, which can compromise your immune system. Stress relaxation. Stress has a direct impact on the immunity of a person. Prolonged stress can also activate latent viruses present in the body. Do some yoga or meditation daily. Spare some time to do the things you enjoy doing. Exercise on regular basis. Have good quality sleep for enough hours. By following these steps, you can strengthen your immune system. The natural ways and tips described here show their result over a period of time. On acute basis, you should go for medication and supplements to get results. If you have any questions, comment us below. We would be happy to answer. For more health related videos, please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description. We wish you to stay healthy. Thanks.